Alright, so this next warm-up is going to show you how we can use the Pas de Bourree and connect it to other steps that don't necessarily feel exactly like the Pas de Bourree, but they all share some type of ball changing direction, but they connect in a way that makes sense. So we're going to practice the Pas de Bourree, the setup, and the sidewalk from the previous tier, and then in this tier we learned the triangle. So we're going to add that onto this as well as the variation of the triangle where we do the diamond. All right, so let's get to it.
Okay, so again, if you need to work on any of these steps, just go back to the individual videos and work out the details. I'm going to show you how we're going to progress from Pas de Bourree to the setup, to the sidewalk, to the triangle, and then to the diamond. All right, so starting with my right foot, I'm going to do 2 8 counts of each, but I'm going to show you 1 8 count for now, just in the interest of time. So my right foot does Pas de Bourree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, I start as if I was going to do the Pas de Bourree. I bring my right foot behind, 1, and now my foot's in front of me. I'm ready to do the setup. 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. I'm going to bring the leg behind me just as if I was doing setup, but I'm going to go into a sidewalk. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now this one's a little interesting. You're going to bring it back as if you're going to go to a sidewalk, but then you're going to keep your weight in this direction. And 2, go into triangle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do the variation of triangle where we go 2 directions. 1, 2, and then we're going to go all the way around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we ball change the other way. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, and then we're back to Pas de Bourree. All right. So we're going to go through each step for 2 8 counts. And then I'm going to repeat it 3 times total, try to come back to Pas de Bourree each time. It might be tricky coming out of that diamond, so if the diamond screws you up, you can practice this by going from the triangle through the first 2 8 counts, and then you can do another 2 8 counts of the triangle. And then to bring it back to Pas de Bourree, when you bring your leg back, it's like you go into a triangle, but you keep your weight more 50-50 instead of lunging into it. And you're back to it. Okay. The challenge here is trying to make each step feel like it blends nicely into the next, even though it's a different type of step, a different feel. Let's try it.